I could not think of a good intro, so hi. I don't know if you guys will like this new angle. I'm just trying out some new things. See if head-on is good with this new camera, because last time I didn't have it head-on because it made me look kind of bad in the low quality. But I'm thinking it works better now. But I'm sorry for missing last week. I really apologize. I wish I didn't, but what's done is done. And I feel we should move on. So today is Thursday, January 19th. Welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for pressing subscribe, the like button down there. I really appreciate it. And let's get into what we missed over the last 2 weeks, or what happened during the last 2 weeks. The biggest news that I thought this last 2 weeks were that Jeroen van der Sloot, the guy that supposedly killed Natalie Holloway back in Aruba, well, I guess he's not supposedly anymore because he pleaded guilty in trial, and he said, "I am very sorry for not coming out right away, and I feel really bad about this. I am so sorry to everyone, and I'm so sorry to the family." Now come on, Jeroen van der Sloot, I don't think that's gonna cover it right from the get-go. You let him go on for like 10 years without knowing who killed their daughter. I hope he gets locked up. Maybe he did by the time now, but I didn't check my computer since I saw the first story. Another thing that I realized over these past 2 weeks is when I was driving by some people, and yes, I drive. If you guys thought I was like 4 years old, I don't know why you would think that because I look a little older, but I saw some people reading a newspaper while they were driving. That is not safe at all. I saw someone painting their nails or doing their eyelashes. That one's kind of common, but it shouldn't be. And the last one that my friend told me about was that somebody was shaving, and when I say shaving, I'm talking about like not electric shaver where you can go like, but I'm saying manual shaver where they have to put like shaving cream on there and then like look in a mirror and make sure they get it right. I'm blown away. Or my friend might be lying to me. It's one or the other. But how can you do that? Do you like have to look into the mirror above your seat? What is that called? I don't know. But that's like impossible, I think. It might be. You might be a multitasker like an iPhone or something, but not in my world. So I saw another report in the news about copying coupons. I thought this was a joke when I first saw it. Literally what the people do is they take a coupon, put it into their copier, and then they reuse it at the store just to get like $2 off paper towels. Paper towels. But they are seriously interrogating these people. Like, the FBI is taking a whole sector of their team, maybe like 20 people, which is a lot of people, and they're going around the nation trying to find these people who are copying coupons and using them at other stores. Shouldn't they be like looking at murders and that stuff that are like put aside? No, we'll wait until Dateline comes and goes like, why didn't you look into this file? That might have not made sense for you guys, but don't worry, it wasn't a funny joke. But specifically with this copying of coupons, this one guy was doing it for 30 years and they just tracked down on him. That's crazy, getting away with so many good deals. Oh, and last but not least, CES happened this last 2 weeks, and if you didn't know, it stands for Consumer Electronics Show. Just for your information if you don't know. You can go brag to your friends about how you know what that stands for now. But 3 things stood out majorly for me. And the first thing was a Samsung window. When they say Samsung window, they're talking about a touchscreen window that has like, you can see through this display. What? You can see through you can see through the display and you can use it as a touchscreen. There we go, got it once. But like you can like turn down the shades, you can like use widgets, and you can like surf the web and do all that stuff. The future looks really good, from my perspective at least. Instead of buying normal windows, we're gonna have to buy $5,000 windows. And most of the time when I'm home, I'm usually home at like 5 o'clock at night or later because of school. So we won't really need to have that because I'm gonna be sitting in my room on my computer. So I don't find it necessary right now, but maybe in a few more years. The second thing that I thought was really cool at CES was a thing called VGo, which is like a little robot you control from home. You get to video chat it, whatever. But in like sci-fi movies, do you remember how there was like people in like little robots that are like walking around, not like WALL-E, but like how you can see their face and talk to them when they're not actually there over video chat. Well, this is what the VGo is. I'm guessing it's like $1,000 or something overpriced, you know, all the electronics are today. But it lets the person remotely control the robot and they can like rove around and talk to them over video chat. I'm just wondering how you connect to it. Is it over Wi-Fi? Is it over 3G? Or how is it going to cost you? Like really, you can't get free internet nowadays. It's impossible without paying like $50 a month or like $80. If you're having an iPhone or something. Speaking of iPhones, the third thing that I thought was really cool at CES was a internet refrigerator. I almost forgot it there, sorry about that. But this is made by Samsung, once again, what everything's made out of now, I guess, except Apple. But Samsung made a refrigerator that can connect to Wi-Fi, have apps, so like you can go get a little juice and play Angry Birds right on there. Very convenient for you if you want to beat that level you were looking for. But when I saw this, all I could think of is what if they added Apple's Siri to it? Like you go up to it and you go like, Siri, make me a sandwich.
I can't do that for you, bitch.
Yeah, I'm thinking that Siri's not a girl. I'm thinking it's a guy. So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Tell me what you think of this new camera angle. I really need your input because I don't know if I want it up high and intimidating to me or from here. I don't know what looks better to you. So leave a comment down below telling me which one you like, normal or big view or whatever, you know. So I'll see you guys next video. Make sure to check out my 2 latest videos right up here. Is that right? Yeah, right up there. Make sure to check out my Twitter down here, if you got that. And make sure to check out my Tumblr or my website if you want to call it that. And so I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Cameron, signing off from the Campcast. Sorry I'm looking down there, I'm just checking them in frame. My name is Cameron from the Campcast. See you guys later. And make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment, and all that stuff. I really like you, so click that like button. See you guys later. Next video, next Thursday. I swear I'll make one. I swear to God. I swear to Jesus. I swear to atheism. I forgot this camera can zoom. Ooh. Ooh.